This is how you can remove contact photo on the iPhone. So whenever you get inside the Contacts app on your device, you can see that some contacts have just the letter as their picture, and some of them have the picture selected. So you can see that if I tap on this one, for example, it has the background of this, but also the little profile picture shows like their face or whatever. So all I have to do is just make it open like this, click on edit, and edit the information or like the pictures, right? So if you click on this edit mode, the first section is the avatar and the second is the poster. So poster is like the background which shows up when they are calling you, but then the avatar is the circular profile picture, and you can click on either customize, or there's going to be the little minus icon next to it in kind of like the top right portion of the image, and you click on this, you can see that it returns back to the letter instead of the profile picture. So now just do not forget to save the changes by clicking the check mark icon in at the top right like this, and you can choose to keep the poster from before or also go with the blank one. So I'm going to go with the blank, and now the contact looks like this. So no picture, no poster, no nothing. It's just a blank saved contact. So that's very nice. That's how you can remove it on the iPhone. Let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later.